Okay, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zahid, and today we're gonna be installing a spoon X-brace on my Honda S2000. It should be a fairly straightforward install. X-braces have been known to increase rigidity within the chassis. People have reported better cornering and steering feel, and we're gonna do the install today and we're gonna find out. If I'm being honest though, the real reason why I'm doing this install is because I'm bored. I've had COVID for the last like 8-9 days. I've been stuck inside the house and I was just itching to do something with my car. So finally, I'm good, I'm healthy, I'm testing negative, my family's all healthy, and I finally got an opportunity to install something, so this is what it's gonna be. Spoon X-brace. I get extra JDM points for it being a spoon product. And like I said, should be a straightforward install, and let's get to it.
Okay, the first step, we're gonna get the front of the car jacked up. Next, we're gonna identify and remove these 4 bolts from the subframe. You got 1, 2, 3, and bolt number 4 right there. Here's a quick comparison between the stock bolt and the spoon bolts that come with the X-brace. They say that spoon bolts actually add 5 horsepower to your car. Next, we'll remove the rest of the stock bolts, followed by lining up the X-brace into place. The spoon X-brace can only go in one way, so it's hard to screw it up. Loosely hand tighten the brace into place. Here's a quick look at the X-brace before we torque it down to spec. An added benefit of an X-brace is that it also protects your oil pan from getting banged up. Unfortunately, this also means your oil drain plug is partially blocked, which could lead to messier oil changes in the future. Not a big deal in my book. I think it's worth the extra JDM points. Quickly snug up the bolts by hand before you add load to the suspension. You want to torque it to spec under load. The last step is to torque each bolt to 28 foot-pounds.
Wow, I'm actually blown away right now. I did an install and everything went perfectly smooth. Usually something happens that ruins the whole day, that makes the install take way longer than it needs to. But today everything went super smooth. I know it seems like I know what I'm doing, but I literally have no idea and I'm just kind of learning as I go. So everything went great. Very easy install, highly recommend. And I bet you want my feedback in terms of how the car feels right now. But unfortunately, you have to wait until next week because we're gonna take the car on a toge run, put it through the paces, and really see if we could feel the difference that the X-brace makes. A quick shout out to all the new subscribers. I know you guys are slowly subbing to the channel. Get your boy to 1,000 this year. I think that's an easy goal. And I really appreciate all you guys, especially everyone who's been hitting me up on Instagram. So more footage, more content coming soon. Until next time, take care, peace out.